Hi everyone! Today I'll talk about the evolution of using sickle for palay or rice crops here in our community in San Jose City, Nueva Ecija. So what can be the origin of the old sickle? So the first sickle first appeared as a simple harvesting tool made of flint blades set into wooden handles. It was used to cut grasses and cereal crops, marking the beginning of the agriculture. After that, they developed and upgraded the sickle, which during the Industrial Revolution in 19th and 18th century, mass production of steel sickles made them cheaper and more accessible to farmers worldwide. While in 20th century, ergonomic wooden or plastic handles were added, improving comfort and reducing strain during manual harvesting. So, next is the introduction of the modern version of the sickle. In 20th century mechanization, the sickle evolved into mechanized versions such as the sickle bar mower and combined harvester, which automated cutting and harvesting crops. So, sa pamamagitan din ng machines, napalitan na yung mga manual sickles sa large-scale agriculture, kaya mas nag-increase yung productivity ng mga farmers. So, after that, the current innovations, which is in 21st century, modern sickle-inspired tools include motorized sickle mowers for small farms and gardens, lightweight alloys, and carbon fiber sickles for durability and reduced fatigue. Smart harvesting machines with GPS and AI integration, optimizing crop cutting and reducing waste. So, what can be the comparative analysis of the old and modern version? First is the purpose and function of the old sickle, which is made in stone in Iron Age. Manual cutting of crops by hand, while in modern sickle, the mechanized or smart tools, automated harvesting, mowing, large-scale crop management. Efficiency of this was So, next is the comparative analysis of old versus modern version of sickle. So, purpose or function of old sickle, manual cutting of crops by hand, while in modern sickle, which is the mechanized or smart tools, it is automated harvesting, mowing, large-scale crop management. Efficiency of old sickle was low. One person could harvest a small plot per day, while in modern sickle, high machines can harvest hectares in hours. Cost of old sickle was very low, locally made from stone or iron, while in modern sickle, it is high upfront cost because of machines, fuel, and maintenance, but cheaper per unit of crop harvested. While the environmental impact of the old sickle was minimal, no fuel but labor intensive, while in modern sickle, mixed fuel use increases emissions but precision technology reduces waste and soil damage. So what can be the effect on daily life and community of the old sickle? So old sickle required large labor forces fostering communal farming tradition, while in modern sickle was reduced need for manual labor, freeing workers for other jobs but also reducing rural employment opportunities. Sustainability and smart technology, balancing productivity with environmental concerns.